Honorable Musimaimane, I'm writing you this letter. Ke tletse dikeledi mahlong. Honorable Musimaimane, ne ke re ke batla ho bolella fela hore you are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to the black community. I don't understand you. Ha ku utlwisisi at all. O holetse kae? O hotse jwang? Because more holetseng teng, rona re hotse with the spirit of Ubuntu, which is something I see you don't understand. And I wonder if you don't understand Ubuntu, hore o tlo rana country jwang ha o batla our black people to vote for you. You are a disgrace to our black people, Honorable Musimaimane. Let me tell you why am I saying so. What Secretary General Isma Khashule of the ANC did by giving Mewane 400 rand, unamufa yona because ile Ubuntu, something we grew up with. When I was growing up, ke ya sekolong ke sena skaftini. Hane ke kena ha bo Keni ke lo lata Keni, mme wa Keni o na mfa lunch box ya ka le nna hore ke tsamaye ha ke fika sekolong ke kgone ho ja. That is what we call Ubuntu, Honorable Musimaimane, which is something you don't understand and your fellow DAs members don't understand. Let me tell you something you don't know about Comrade Isma Khashule. There were students, it's about 800 at Wits University. Bane ba sa kgone ho patala di fees tsa bona. Honorable Isma Khashule paid for them, and it was not during election. Something that you also don't know. We are having doctors today because of Honorable Isma Khashule. Olanga di student a di tsamaisa a di sa Cuba, a isa ba ban China ba lo study agriculture, and it was not during election by then. Unkile matlo enele apartheid. Afika a chwatla enele di two room houses tsa apartheid. Afika a di chwatla a etsa matlo a di four room houses tsena le di bathroom and solar. It's something you don't understand, and still it was not during the days of elections. Just because Honorable Isma Khashule Ubuntu kentwai, it is something he understand. We yentse nakong eo e leng hore ke eng o ntsa lobia for the elections o soro o reka di vote. E re ko bolelle tšhelete o ana intsha a fana ka yona ha se tšhelete tswang ho ANC, ke tšhelete ya hae e ne le pokothong. Only 400 anana le yona a fika a re mme e re ko thuse because rona re le batho ba batsho re hotse re phela tjena, but wena you can't see that. You are a disgrace. So Mr. Maimane, this simply means hoja ile wena a fumane mmeo hore hana dijo o no sa tlo mo thusa next. Wow! Let me tell you something. Federal Alliance, the New National Party, during apartheid, di ne di sa rate batho ba batsho. Today ba form what they call Democratic Alliance, which is the DA that you work for. You are working for the apartheid government, Honorable Musimaimane, and I'm not gonna respect you because of that. Those people, they don't understand what is Ubuntu, and I'm surprised today. Hore la kwata ha le goa le bitswa le goa Mazulu a bitsa le goa umlungu. Honorable Isma Khashule called le goa umlungu. Today se le bitsa ka hore it is a racist word. Wow, wow. You are selling our black people to white people. There is nothing our people are going to benefit from that. And tell me here, tell me something. Why are you defending the apartheid? Comrade Jacob Zuma, my former president, Ubutsize, Arhoena, why are you defending apartheid?
I don't know why the honorable member is saying all the problems we face are not the problems of apartheid. Why are you defending apartheid? You were a victim of apartheid, you. I don't know why you defend it. Absolutely, I don't understand. You defend the apartheid.
I never said that.
Yaba ohlolea araba. Honorable Musimaimane, we as the ANC, we still got a long way to go. Yes, your people were in power for the last 300 years. Rona, we are only in power for 25 years. But le bona ke ka rono re senya country because ntole tsabanke equality. Ha le batle batho ba batsho ba be equal like white people. Ha le batle re share the same power with them. Ba onkile ba otlisa ka parlamenteng ba fika ba re wena o tlo bua le batho ba batsho because o motho wa motsho. Batho ba batsho what they know ke ntholwana fela, so wena o tla lwana le batho ba lona ba batho ba batsho because they can't stand us. That is why ba o fileng le mosadi wa lekgowa. You are a disgrace. They saw that the DA cannot have a black first lady, ba o fa mosadi wa lekgowa. You are a disgrace, Honorable Mmusi Maimane. Honorable Mmusi Maimane, let me show you something. Wa bona tsela e mona ke plus kolo sa Leseding tla sa bridge ba hao ya ka open maphaka. Tsela ena ene le tsela e bad, e very very bad ka ra Welkom. Koloi ha ne di tsamaya ka thoko di sa kgone ho tswa tseleng ena because of what? Ene e senyehile, but the ANC government fixed it. I'm not saying because ba lokisitse tsela ena ke re no ha ona diphoso tse ngata, diphoso di ngata ka ramakeishene a rona, and we still got a long way to go, and the ANC government is still gonna go back to its original promises tseo ba di etseditseng batho ba rona to fix things in Comrade Cyril Ramaphosa, my current president, I believe. And let me tell you something again, Honorable Mmusi Maimane. Wa di bona di roboto tse di accident ne di le ngata ha o kena ka hara Bromville, ne le di accident fela mona, but the ANC government fixed it, Honorable Mmusi Maimane. E lokisitse, but I'm not saying the problems ka hara Bromville kaofela di fedile. We still got a long way to go. Small things matters. Wa mmona moshimanyana o a tsamayang strateng mo, moshimane o kena sekolo mahala in primary school, free education because of the ANC government. Wa mmona ngwananyana o, bananyana bana ba kena sekolo in secondary school, and the secondary school yo ba kenang ho yona ba kena mahala because of the ANC government. Wa ba bona ba ba in tertiary, ba bang ba bona ba ne ba kolota dikoloto tsa NSFAS. The ANC government e di patetse kaofela, Honorable Mmusi Maimane. It patets kaofela, and the ANC government is working hard by all means to make sure that everyone o fumana a free education hafika in tertiary level, and we're going to reach that goal, Honorable Mmusi Maimane, which is something you don't understand. We having a free health services, Honorable Mmusi Maimane. Why innocent until proven guilty ka hara court, Honorable Mmusi Maimane. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to us. Black people don't believe in you. Unkile batho ba batsho wa ba isa magoweng ba lo matha ka mora magowa, ba mathe matlong ba lobia ha magowa a dutse matlong a bona a nwa dikofi, ba tle ba tlo re kopa gona hore re lo votela DA. I know where I come from, I know where I'm going, and in ANC I believe. I'm telling you, Honorable Mmusi Maimane, on 8th of May o tlo bona hore in ANC we believe. Ka di 8th of May ha re lo vota o tlo bona hore in ANC we believe, and we're going to put ANC in power. We are going to claim our metros, so back and give them back to the ANC. Honorable Mmusi Maimane, you are a disgrace. I hope wa le thola lengolo lena. Ke rapela go le fihla wena.